Then I realized the whole morning, nothing to do. Every day, my father just put me in the shopping mall. I said, no, I want to do something. The guy is from Taiwan embassy. He was a driver, big fat guy. He take me to the construction site to see you need an assistant. That's your assistant. I just sit there. Okay, what's his name? The big fat guy called Jack. He said, call him Jack. Then first English I learned is a barrel, a shovel, cement. This is called cement. Okay, this is called shovel. This is called barrel. This is called water. 10 sand. Okay, then every day I just do these kind of things. So my name is Jack, Steve, Paul.